the
cupping
marks
bruises.
Yeah.
I'm curious as to what your opinion is on that.
It's totally normal. So the cupping, it works the same structure as these tools. I just prefer the tools because it has more of a massage effect to it. Okay. But what's happening with cupping, which I have one right here, is that you're working a tissue called your fascia. Okay. So fascia, it's a connective tissue layer that exists underneath the muscle. Okay. That responds well to this kind of like hickey-like sensation. Okay. Granted, I use a lubricant and it slides. Right. That, when the fascia is worked, causes a micro bleed. It is technically a bleeding, occurring at the level where you get a tattoo. So it's completely harmless, it's completely benign, unless you have a history of kidney disease.